Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2016 Honda CRF150F. This bike is offered for $33.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports, and it's a green sticker bike, which means you could ride it year-round. 2017 was the last year Honda made these, unfortunately, so this is kind of a rare find to take one of these in on trade. It's a great looking bike. We just put a new battery in it, did a minor service on it, lubed the chain, changed the oil, and did that, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. It's got electric start, so it's super easy to start, 4-speed, great bike for the little younger kids, for ladies, or just want to putt around the campground, or you're just kind of new to dirt bike riding, want to check out the sport. This is an awesome bike. Again, $33.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at ContraCostaPS.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.